1 and we are just leaving the room right now, and we had breakfast at our local, not local, but like the hotel breakfast place, and it was really good, but we're still starving because we haven't eaten in days. This store's kind of hard to do. But we found an acai bowl place, and it's really, really cute and pretty, and it looks like it's going to be good. So, oops, hold on. What the heck? But we're going to go down there, we're going to get some bowls, eat them, and then probably head up to the beach. But,
yeah, it's nice. Has a nice vibe. There's a lot of like Australian families that are surfer families.
Yeah, they're like Australian slash from Chile, and it makes me want to have a little baby family, and I don't want kids at all. But I'll show around just what the place looks like.
Hello. A little pool. Oh yeah, and then they have the yoga up at the top deck.
This is like $40 a night to stay here.
And it comes with free breakfast. Free Wi-Fi, supposedly.
Wi-Fi once in a while.
Yeah, and air conditioning room. There's a lot of places to have air conditioning.
Oh yeah, it has air conditioning. The first place that we went to go look, it literally smelled like moldy toe. So that wasn't a good place to go. Oh yeah, but over there you can see behind there, that's where we had breakfast.
Our family.
And then this is the place, and you walk out, and it's good because it's right near the ocean. The ocean's down there actually. Which way? Oh wait, no, the ocean's down that way,
yeah,
but you keep walking.
Over here.
Yeah, and then just a quick little walk. And here is the place. It's called how do you pronounce that? Nala Bowls, Jojo Bali. Healthy and delicious, which I believe. But it's so cute, I just wanted to get this. I'm gonna come over and I'm gonna order. Say hello! Say hi! Alright, so they told me that the best one was the Mavericks one, right?
Maverick.
Acai
bowls, yes.
from the Brazil we imported it.
Okay.
Oh, really? Great. Okay, so are you gonna get that one?
Yeah, we'll get 2 of those.
Can we get 2 of those?
So, yes.
Yeah, it's so cute in here.
Can we sit over here? Some Jack Daniels.
Hello, guys. But right now, we are in Sanur, and we just got here from, where were we before? Canggu. Canggu, and we came down here because we were going to stay here, but then we decided last minute that we actually wanted to go out to the islands. So we're going to, I don't even know how to say this. Ready? Lembongan. I'll just like put like the word in at the bottom, like in the bio or something. But yeah, that's where we're going, and because we walked around here, it's still nice, but we kind of just want that more like beach hut vibe, and we actually booked one just like walking through at one of the restaurants. They had a place that you can book hotels, but we want more of a deserted, naked and afraid vibe. But yeah, so that's what we're doing right now.
Walking by.
Yeah, there's cats, yeah. But it's really nice down here. We're probably going to come back here and fish, eating the fish. But yeah, so right now we're eating.
The fish.
I mean, not eating the fish. I'm eating. We're going to do the
fish massage.
Eat. Yeah, they do eat.
Yeah.
The fish eat your feet.
Yeah, they like eat the dead skin off your feet.
Yeah, but we're eating some Balinese food, and hopefully we don't get food poisoning.
We're going to get Bali though.
Probably the next time that I will be checking in will be on an island.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Is it real hot?
Yeah.
Are we gonna burn?
Well, that's it. We've just been moving a ton all over the place.
That's all we do.
Our shoulders are breaking, but it's all worth it. Bye bye. on that? That's so funny. Should I? Go? Okay.
You wait a few minutes, yeah? Oh, you wait a few minutes. Yeah.
I have a YouTube channel. You're gonna be on YouTube. Oh, this is the one? Number two. Oh, wow. This whole thing?
Yeah.
It's so nice. Wow.
You sit down, I give you a cold drink.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much.
Cola or Sprite?
Sprite, please. Thank you.